Brett Bolton's natural Max Hair Vitamin is for men and women who want better overall health and vitality for their hair. Dr. Bolton is a hair restoration specialist who has been in medical practice for over 20 years and has solely focused on hair. Max Hair, his unique formulation of natural vitamins and herbs that help prevent hair loss, stabilizes and strengthens hair quality while speeding up natural hair growth cycles. Max Hair makes your hair more resilient, thicker, shiny, and beautiful in appearance, helps prevent breakage and split ends, and in many cases has helped regrow hair follicles to their original quality. Natural and safe Max Hair gives you the beautiful hair you desire. Max Hair, for everyone who seeks a more youthful and rejuvenated appearance to his or her hair. Order yours today.
Hi there, here we are with our patient Adrien. Adrien's here for a 1-year follow-up after a MaxHarvest Plus procedure. We did one of the biggest procedures we've ever done on Adrien. We moved about 80 square centimeters of hair, which is about 16,000 hairs. Crazy amount, unheard of. He was what's called a class 6, class 7, which means he was totally bald. He had a previous surgery that they did an FUE, and he had very limited results. And it also affected his donor region because when they do the FUE, it affects the donor tissue. He came in nervous because of the FUE. He had a bad experience. So the day of his procedure, he was apprehensive. And so you were nervous that day.
Yes, very nervous.
How did it go though? Did you have pain?
No, nothing.
So no need to be nervous.
Nothing.
Nothing.
Easy.
Oh, okay.
All the time.
And how are your results? Are you happy?
Of course, my face is fresh right now.
So you feel more confident?
Of course, yes.
Excellent. Okay. So when we did that case, we completely restored his hairline the entire way across. Just going to kind of spin around here and show the camera how this looks. Huge case. He's not even fully done growing. He's only at about 12 months. These big cases take upwards to about 18 months to grow. And so you can see it still, has some room to fill in. It's a 1 procedure result. And then I'm going to spin this way. Good. And you can see how it completely reframed his face. Looks nice and natural all the way around. If you were to come back for a second procedure, which we're probably going to do at the 18-month point or so, we're going to do what's called the density case, where we just kind of go through and fill in the hairline and then just sticking it up down the center with density and fill it all in. But anyways, what's important about this case is the amount of hair removed and getting this type of result on that much loss in a single session. No one in the world is doing that. It's extraordinary. Very unbelievable that we were able to do that. And so what would you say? What do you tell someone else?
Come back this office. The Bolton.
Excellent.
Change the life.
Excellent. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.